Hi guys, welcome to Computer Tech Videos. Today I'm going to show you how to use a free VPN on Kali Linux. So to do that, first thing we need to make sure our network settings are right on a VPN, on a virtual platform, sorry. So you need to make sure your settings are like that, and then you go and press OK. A VPN generally help you to be anonymous while you're searching for uh, something, or you want to go to a web in a different country, or you are doing a tax and you want to be anonymous. So first thing we will do is we will find out our DNS address. So DNS, what happens with DNS, like a lot of us use DNS provided by our ISP, Internet Service Provider, but that sort of DNS can't block out a lot of traffic that can result in failure when you're trying to search online. So first thing, to find out our DNS address, we need to type in this command, which is cat.c.resolve.conf, and you enter. So this is telling me right now that this is the DNS given to me by our ISP. Now we'll go ahead and change that. To change that, we will go and write down nano etc slash dhcp slash dh client dh client dot conf. Yep, now what we need to do is we need to go all the way down to prepend domain name servers. So we need to look online. I'll just make this bigger. Okay. So we need to change this and add the DNS from internet. So what I'll do, I'll look for open DNSs online. Computer is slow today. So what I'll do, I'll go and type in open DNS. Servers. So let's see, we'll try to use these ones here. So what we will do, we will go ahead and paste this here. I think we can, and I'll also put another one here. Paste. Okay, so this is all done. Now we will go ahead and save this. Yeah. So the next thing we need to do, just to check if these ones are working or not. So I'll go cat resolve. Okay, this is not working. No, there is one more thing we have to do before checking it. We need to restart our network manager service. Network manager restart. Yep, now we will make sure, if you can see, these are the other DNS addresses which we have added are listed now. Let's go ahead and clear this. And now the other thing we need to do is go to our browser and disable WebRTC. To disable that, we will go here and we will type on about underscore config. I'll set the risk, and now we need to type in media dot peer connection dot enabled. Okay, now we need to make sure to turn it to false. Yep, and now we will go ahead and close this. Now I will go ahead and look for a free VPN. So generally I can go to vpnbook.com, that's what I use, and go ahead here. I will download this one, the one in US, and press it. Okay, so it will save. It will get saved in my downloads. And this is, you need to make sure this, you copy this or write it down somewhere. I'll copy this and I'll make a new file here to make sure I have these files. Okay, this is not how it is happening. I'll copy it again. I'll write it down here, which is T2XD9 capital Y. Oh, okay, and here you go. Now we need to go back to the terminal. Before doing that, I'll just make sure the file is downloaded. Okay, it hasn't been downloaded, so let's see, we'll just download it again. VPNbook.com. Open. I'll download this again. Save file. Okay. Now it should be downloaded. Let's check. Download. Yep, it's downloaded. Now what I'll do, I'll go to downloads. Okay, and list this. It's a file which is not. I'll unzip this file. Copy and paste. This file is unzipped now. Now let's see. I'm going to use 443 VPN here. So what I'll do, I'll write open VPN and I will use this. Here. Okay, now it is asking me for that username and password. So I'll write down VPN book and then I'll type in this password. And I'll wait for the connection to be done. It can take a bit of time for the connection to. Okay, so this is what we are looking for here. Okay, we need to minimize this and then open our browser just to make sure. So now I will go and check out if it shows I am in US. My IP address is in US. So you can see it is showing me I am in the IP address I'm connected to is a United States IP address, but obviously I don't live in United States. To make sure that I will cancel this and I'll show you again the change in IP address, which should come now. Yeah, so Now you can see I'm back in my computer was back. My IP address was a New Zealand IP address, but when I was using the VPN, it was IP address in United States. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. And for new videos, thanks.